Let's reset the Honeywell gas valve and unplug the water heater from the receptacle, then wait 60 seconds, plug it back in. Turn the switch on and off on the gas valve, rotate the temperature dial from low to high 7 times. The unit is reset. If the unit will not reset, then there must be an underlying issue. If the dial is flashing error codes, then look at the side of the water heater to locate the sticker that explains each flash combination. We will give you some tips on possible issues or fixes for some of the most common codes. For this one, more than likely you need to clean the flame sensor. We have videos on how to do this. Exhaust plug, ice, animals, or some kind of foreign object preventing the exhaust from escaping or combustion air from getting in. An issue with the inducer motor or faulty switch. This is a very common issue, a flammable vapor sensor. If this is triggered, the only thing to do is replace the sensor. It is a simple task. Remove the electrical spade connectors and install new sensor. But one of the most important things here is identifying what is triggering the sensor to go off. Many common things can trigger them. Natural gas or propane leak been the most concerning. If you store chemicals, paint, or even kitty litter box close by, that will do it. If you have a floor drain that's trap has run dry, that could do it too.